Ever wonder why you instantly click on some thumbnails but completely ignore others? Well, there's actually an invisible glitch in human psychology that controls exactly where our eyes go. Today, we're breaking down that glitch in this explainer and showing you how to master AI to build high-converting thumbnails that literally demand attention. Let's get into it.
So why do 99% of creators fail to get clicks? It's honestly a frustrating reality. You spend hours scripting, filming, and editing this incredibly valuable content, right? But then audiences just routinely skip right past it for, well, lesser material. What's actually happening here?
It boils down to the under 10,000 views bias. Our brains naturally filter out things that seem unpopular. When we spot a view count under 10K, we instinctively assume the content just isn't worth our time. That is, unless the thumbnail creates such massive, undeniable curiosity that we simply have to click anyway. To solve this exact crisis, we're looking at an actionable blueprint produced by AAGHAZ Ai, an educator and an AI agents and automation builder for educators, traders, and startups based in Karachi, Pakistan. Let's shift gears from the theory and look at this automated design framework.
First up, the anatomy of viral thumbnails. It all starts with understanding the structural differences between designs that gather dust and those that go instantly viral.
Let's look at bad practices versus viral practices. Failing designs usually have messy text, inconsistent fonts, and just completely unrealistic claims. High-converting layouts do the opposite. They use clear, bold text and visual contradictions. Think about a teenager holding a sign that says $35 million. That contradicts reality, right? It immediately sparks controversy and intense curiosity in your brain.
And that brings us to this core rule. Visualize unexpected concepts so perfectly that your audience doesn't even need text to understand the video. It's like a giant puzzle. If you visualize extreme curiosity, like say a human sprinting against a robot, your brain registers the value of that fantasy instantly. You've basically forced the click before they even read a single word of your title.
Next up is the AI thumbnail tech stack. Now that we've got the psychology down, let's talk application. The good news? You don't need a massive design team anymore. You just need a specific suite of AI tools to automate the whole thing. Here is your 5-pillar automation stack. Number 1, Higgsfield for all-in-one generation. 2, Nano Banana Pro to dial in those skin and lighting tweaks. 3, ChatGPT Image Gen for that ultra-high realism. 4, LoveArt for design-optimized prompting. And finally, number 5, Canva, where you bring it all together for that final layout polish. Moving right along to step-by-step AI generation. Generating that perfect base image isn't just about throwing random words at an AI. It takes a structured, deliberate approach to get professional results.
Here is the workflow. Step 1, upload a viral reference image, something that is already proven to work. Step 2, upload a clean, well-lit personal photo. This step is absolutely non-negotiable for quality control. And Step 3, prompt the AI for a seamless subject replacement. But here's the catch. You can't just type "swap my face" and hope for the best. You need the seamless prompt formula. You have to tell the AI to replace person 1 with person 2, but keep the exact pose, clothing, and background. You need to explicitly command it to match the skin tone to the scene lighting, preserve natural body weight and edges, and, this is absolutely crucial, insist on no over-smoothing. That is exactly how you avoid that cheap plastic look. Finally, we reach finalizing the design. Once the AI hands you that hyper-realistic base image, you move to the polish stage. Because remember, that raw output, it's just your canvas, not the final product. This is where we jump into Canva. Step 1, use Magic Grab to separate your text and your subjects so you have total control. Step 2, swap or darken that background to create massive high contrast. Step 3, apply drop shadows and use pattern-breaking text sizing. This visual disruption is a real game changer. It literally forces the viewer's eyes exactly where you want them to go. So, we've decoded the psychology of the click, built out a powerhouse AI tech stack, and walked through a seamless, professional generation workflow. Now here is the real question to leave you with. Will you apply the secret viral hook formula to your next upload? Try testing these exact psychological triggers on your very next release, and watch what happens to your click-through rates.